Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to yet another Make Money Online video. My name is Judith, guys. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for trusting my content. Thank you for always coming back. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, personal improvement video, and anything interesting in between. If that is your kind of content, please click the red button to join the family. So, guys, I know you are wondering what making money online has to do with the thumbnail, which is a bikini, me in a bikini, but you'll find out soon. So today we are going to talk about another way of making money online, and it is called Onlyfans. Now, Onlyfans is an online platform that allows content creators to share their content and monetize it as they develop authentic relationship with their fan base. Now, this one is a little bit different. And by the way, myself, I haven't tried it, but I heard about it from a friend of mine whose friend is making money from this particular platform. So I have done my research, and as usual, my work is to bring to you these different ways of making money online, and then now you can always go and do your own research and see if it is something that you can do. Now, like I have just said, OnlyFans allows content creators to monetize their content as they also develop authentic relationship with their fan base. So you can basically share videos, photos, and even chats. You can even chat with someone for money. Can you imagine? Yeah, there are so many ways of making money online, and this is just one of those interesting ones. So you can share videos, photos, and even chat with someone for money. Yes. So on OnlyFans, as a content creator, you are allowed to have either a free account or a paid subscription account. Now, on a free account, you can only earn from tips only when your fans tip you. That is when you earn money. But now with a paid subscription, you are able to set a particular amount that that you want to charge for your services. I hope I'm clear. So with a free one, you cannot set your price. Yeah, in short, you cannot set your price. Now, so what kind of content can you upload on OnlyFans? On OnlyFans, you can actually upload any kind of content, whether it is photography, whether it is recipes, whether it is creative writing. But now I am going to be very sincere with you. It is popularly known for explicit content, what we call X-rated content. So that is where my thumbnail comes in. If you are able, okay, guys, please don't quote me anywhere. If this is something that you can do, if you can wear those lingerie and be sexy, play a role, whether it's a nurse, a teacher, just be playful in an explicit way. I hope I'm being clear. Then you can sign up. This is the content that makes the most money. Let me just say that. But basically, like I said, whether you are a fitness expert, whether you are a photographer, whether you love cooking, whether you're a model, whether you are an influencer or a musician, you can join this platform. Actually, there are people who are making a lot of money, especially these musicians. I have done research about this, and I have read that musicians like Cardi B actually make a lot of money. Basically, what happens is if you have exclusive content that you want to share with your fans, yeah, then you can join OnlyFans, and your content will only be shown to those people that pay. Yes, that is how it works. So how much can you make on this platform? I know that is always the big question. And according to Google, you can earn an average of $180 a month from OnlyFans. But now, if you are in Kenya and you are familiar with Edgar Obare, the tea master, his royaltiness, or I don't know what he calls himself, but if you are familiar with Edgar Obare, then there is a time he shared about OnlyFans, and his fans actually confessed to have been making a lot of money, like 300,000 Kenya. That is in Kenya shillings. 300,000 Kenya shillings per month. That is almost $3,000 in a month. So they confess to have been making to be making this kind of money on this particular platform. I advise you, if you are interested or if you think you can check it out, please visit onlyfans.com. Yes. Okay. So that's it about the match that you can make. So how do you get started on this particular platform? Guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. I hope you are following me up to this moment. If you are loving this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. Yeah. So how do you get started on OnlyFans? So first you go to their page, onlyfans.com, and then you create an account. Like I said, it is free. Creating an account is actually free, yeah? So you simply go to onlyfans.com, and then you go to create an account, yeah? So it is free and easy. And by the way, neither you or your fans will require to sign anything, to sign any contract. You just sign up and start advertising your services. So after creating an account, yeah, so the second step is to set your subscription rate. So like I said, you can either have a free account or you can have a paid account, paid subscription. So now if you decide to have a paid subscription, this is where now you can set the particular amount that you want to charge for your services. Yes. So with a free account, I said you can only get paid by receiving tips from your client. Let me call them clients. But now if you have a paid subscription, then you can set a particular amount that you want to charge for your services. So set the subscription fee. And remember, the more subscribers you have, the more earnings. Of course, like everywhere else, even here on YouTube, you need more subscribers to earn more. So make sure you set a reasonable price, yeah? Don't set too much that you will get none of the subscribers. So set a reasonable price. Also ensure that you post authentic content, by the way. In online, whether it is online writing, transcription, YouTube, anything online, by the way, content is king. You have to make sure that you are posting authentic content, and also make sure that you are posting on a regular basis. Wherever you go online, you cannot escape this consistency word. Consistency is key even here. So you have to post authentic content on a regular basis, so that whenever your clients have access to fresh content all the time. Yes. So that way they will see the value for their money and they will keep on subscribing every month. So that's it about setting your subscription. After setting your subscription, now you start promoting your OnlyFans account. Even here, you are not going to escape the idea of promoting your business. Let me call it business. So you start promoting, and like any other online business, you'll have to promote your OnlyFans account to ensure you get as many subscribers as possible. Remember, I said The more subscribers you have, the more money you earn. So to promote, or of course, there's always the option of promoting on social media. You can promote on social media. You can also promote on your blog or website. You can also promote on forums like Quora, Reddit. You can also promote there. Also, another way of attracting or promoting your account is by offering discounts for your services. Also, you can also offer subscription packages just to attract subscribers. Yeah, so that's another way of promoting your OnlyFans account. And then after that, of course, you start creating and posting content. So like anything else, again in life, you'll have to be committed, be consistent, and work hard to earn money on OnlyFans. Yeah, you'll not just go there and start earning without doing anything, of course. You'll have to work hard, keep posting that content, be consistent, be committed, and you'll eventually start earning good money. So the best way to do this is to plan your content schedule your content ahead of time. Yeah, just like here on YouTube, if you want to be successful, you have to schedule your content. Yeah, so that you know exactly what will go live when and at what time. Yeah. Also, yeah, so when you schedule your content ahead of time, you'll make sure that your account is always active, and hence your subscribers will remain entertained at all times, hence pay. Yes. So that is number 3. Number 4, retain your funds. So this is the last point. If you want to be successful, of course, online, whether it is on YouTube or on your blog or anywhere else, you need to know how to retain your funds, because it is only when you can retain them, when they can keep coming back for more of your content, that you'll be able to earn well, of course. So you can only retain them by posting valuable content, of course, valuable and authentic content. And then also, the good thing about this platform is that you are allowed to interact with your fans on a personal level. So there's nothing wrong with that. So another way of retaining them is getting to them, interacting with them on a personal level, and also being consistent. So that is how you're going to retain your fans. So guys, I hope you have learned something. Like I said, anyone can sign up on OnlyFans, but like I also say, that is popularly known for explicit content. If it is something that you can do, whether you are a photographer, whether you are a fitness enthusiast, whether you are ready to post that X-rated content, then head over to onlyfans.com, sign up and get started. Like I always say on this channel, online business, whichever whichever you choose to do, takes time and commitment. So you need to be consistent, look for those subscribers, continue creating content, and soon you'll smile all the way to the bank. Yes, I hope I have been of help today. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.